Good day, RK Figs here. Well, I've been away for about a week and I just got back and things are growing like crazy. So I'm gonna walk through and see what's growing and what's happening. I don't know if I've ever shown you these baskets before, but we got some flowers and strawberries there and they're just growing all over the place. All right, as for the fig trees, this here is my Italian honey, and we got some figs going on here, but no breba. I did take a lot of cuttings from this one, so I don't expect too much breba. This is my Vern's brown turkey, which is growing phenomenally. You could see figs popping everywhere, all over the place. And actually this here, there's like, look, two main trunks. I may just separate this into two trees so I can get a single trunk going on, but that'll be in the fall. All right, here is another one that's growing really well, even though it's a shaded area here, and that's my LSU Tiger, loaded with figs. Can't wait to eat these. They are delicious, so looking forward to that one. This here is a sad story. This is my Italian honey that part of it died over the winter because my heat tape popped a circuit, and I was training this here branch to take over as the main branch, but some animal came while I was away and I don't know, stepped on it, broke it off. So now I just lost all that growth, and I'm gonna have to train this to be my main branch and get rid of a lot of these suckers from coming out of the ground so they don't take away the energy. And look at these, all these strawberries, and these are delicious strawberries here too. They're not very big, but they are delicious. Okay, let's take a look here. We got my Sal's EL. This tree is doing okay, but it's got that white crystal thing that I told you about. I did give it the first treatment of neem oil, but then I went away and did not follow up with the second treatment, so it definitely needs a treatment. The wasps love this tree. When this thing starts putting out figs, they go absolutely crazy for the sugar in these figs. All right, let's see here. We got our I-258. I-258 did put on a breba, but as you can see, it did not do very well. I didn't think I-258 does put on breba. Correct me if I'm wrong. If anybody out there gets a breba from their I-258, let me know. All right, let's move over to the other side here. This my lemon tree, look at that, it's putting out a lemon. I did shut off the water while I was away because it did have too much water. I think it's time to turn it back on again. My panache is putting on quite a bit of figs. However, I did take a lot of cuttings from it, so it's not as big as it should be. But I'm expecting at least this and this to ripen this year, and maybe we'll I'm gonna probably put it in a bigger pot this year and give it some chance to grow. Get these weeds out. All right, let's see what's going on here. This is oh, look at that. This is a tree that I got from somebody on eBay years ago, and it was, I believe it is a San Pedro type. It was falsely advertised as something else. Can't remember what now. But it does put on a very delicious breba, although it's not very common to get a breba. But here it is, and it's I would say about 2 or 3 days away from ripening. First time it put on, it was very brown looking. So this is a change. It's kind of purple. Can't wait to try that. I got my Italian cucumbers growing like mad. I gotta sit down and go through all that, cut off a bunch of branches. But I do see here a couple of them. Where are they? There they are. A couple of them that are ready for the picking. So that's fantastic. Okay, we got our parsley. Oh my, these things are growing all over the place. They love the heat, and I believe we had some nice serious heat while I was away. So, okay, here we go with our main lineup. I'm basically looking for some breba to see if any breba ripened. Oh, we've got here, got a bunch of yellow leaves. This thing could be not getting enough water, judging by the pot. It is pretty dry, so I'm gonna have to increase the water on this thing. Hopefully we did not hurt it too much. What is this here? Oh, that's our yellow long neck. All right, more water for yellow long neck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here is our Atriano. Ooh, that looks deliciously ready. Deliciously ready. Atriano. One. Maybe the other one, no. Oh man, look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh, that's not ready yet. That probably needs a day. Oh my God, this one is ready. We got at least 2 ready. So I'm gonna be picking these 2 off once I go through things. Oh no. Oh no. Our Lebanese Becca Valley. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe it's not getting water. There's always casualties when you leave. Alright, I'll have to see what's going on there. Probably pretty much looks like I lost everything on that one. And that's for sure. Oh no. Nothing worse than finding out you lost some stuff. LSU Hollier, what's going on there? No, it's okay. Those are just the leaves from the Becca Valley. Oh man. Terrible, terrible. I think these were brebas here. Alright, we'll get the hose out and see what's going on. Alright, I'm not expecting much from these guys because they're all pretty new. We got in there Strawberry Verde. Did I have a breba on here? Okay. Negroni and Violet de Bordeaux. I do see some brebas. We did get one about a week ago before I left, but I don't see anything now. Alright, we'll go back and pick those Atrianos, cut them open, and see what's going on. My God, look at all these figs I lost. I lost all these figs. Oh man, I'm so upset. I am so upset. Look at this. These are supposed to be really good figs. All right. Well, let's let's enjoy what we do have, which is our Atriano breba. And this is why I love this tree, man. This is why I love this tree. There's one. This one is not quite ready, but this one is. However, I do see like this hole in it, and it's kind of making me nervous. Look at that, no sap. That's what you want, no sap. There's another one back there, but I think, no, not quite. Not quite ready. Oh my God, this one is a monster. Let's cut them open and see what we get. You know, I do see. I love these tomatoes. They're called Tiny Tim because they don't grow like crazy like other tomatoes, but they do put on an amazing crop. Okay, so we're gonna, and you know what? Let's grab us a cucumber. Even though they're still a bit small, but I've been away for a week, and we're gonna come on. There's one. There's one. Grab us two. What the hell? I hope this is not way too small. All right. Let's go inside, cut these open, and see what we get. All right, there is our first harvest of the year. Some strawberries, figs, carousel cucumbers, and some cherry tomatoes. Okay, let's check out the size of these Atrianos. Let's start off with the small one. I hope this one doesn't have something inside with that hole. But that's 58 grams, which is fantastic for a breba. And then Mr. Monster over here at 91 grams. All right, let's cut these guys open and see what we get. All right, so I cut right along the hole. This way, if there's anything bad, I can take it out. But you know, it's actually, looks like it's only skin deep. So that's the smaller Atriano. And here is our monster. Okay. So let's taste these. All right, I'm gonna do the honors with starting off with the very first Atriano. Wow. Go ahead, you can grab that one.
Looks amazing.
Let's give it a try. Yeah, cheers. Mmm. Oh my God. Such a great figgy taste.
Delicious. Wow.
Oh. All right, we'll try the monster now. See what's going on with the monster. Cheers. Mmm. Mouthful of jam. That's what that is.
Delish.
That's fantastic. I'm gonna taste some of that carousel cucumber for you guys. So here's this carousel cucumber. I guarantee you it is going to be the sweetest cucumber you've ever tasted. Mmm. Like sugar. Marque figs. We'll see you next time.